Hi Angela, this is Christine. I work with Rebecca on the online team. I want to give you a demonstration of how VoiceThread works in Blackboard as a way to show you how to find the voice threads that you are looking for Bio 312. So first I'm going to show you how a VoiceThread link gets created in Blackboard. Then I'm going to show you how I think you might be able to find the voice threads that have been done previously. So VoiceThread is a tool that is linked in Blackboard, but it's not a Blackboard-based tool. So there are two main steps we do. First, we create the link in Blackboard that goes to VoiceThread, and then we tell VoiceThread which presentation we want that link to point to. So I'm just going to show you the first part here. I'm going to start with that, and then we'll walk through some other steps of how you might find those voice threads. So in your Blackboard site, I have a site open here that I am going to use for demonstration. Go to a Blackboard site that you have, and we're going to just set up a sample one as a demonstration. Make sure you turn the edit mode on, and you will want this tools menu. This will show you all the tools available in Blackboard. You're going to scroll down and you're going to select VoiceThread. This is to create the distinct link that goes between the Blackboard site and VoiceThread, which is a cloud-based tool. So here I'm going to create, I did one before for you, but I'm going to do another one now because my first one didn't work. So we're going to create a title. We're going to give instructions. So this is what you will do for your students. So give the activity a title, put in instructions. Then Blackboard will ask you to decide if you're going to grade this or not, yes or no. If you grade it, you will be asked to put in points. Another choice you'll have to make is, do you want students to see this content or not? For now, I do not want other people to see it. So that's what I would have you do in your course site as you're learning how to find the voice threads. Then submit. This creates, as I said, a distinct web link between Blackboard and VoiceThread. I scroll down to find it. New content always goes to the bottom, and I know it's VoiceThread because it has a specific icon, VT. So if you're not seeing these icons in your class, they either might be hidden or they're not VoiceThread links. So look for this icon and then click on the link, and that will automatically open VoiceThread. We can see it opening here in a new tab in your browser. So VoiceThread has a few different views that you can make. You can do a course view. This is what previous instructors of Bio 312 have used for student activities. So these would be voice threads that are created by students to demonstrate their learning on a certain concept. When you attach the Blackboard link to course view, students will see all the voice threads associated with the course, including those of their peers. When you use individual VT, you're going to point the Blackboard link to a very specific VoiceThread link. So for example, this would be the lectures that are available in for Bio 312 that have been done in the past. Because I don't know if you have access to those yet, however, I'm going to have you click on VT Home. And this should show you, so when now it says success. So when we go back to Blackboard and we click on this link again, it will open a new window to show you VoiceThread. It's taking a moment. The reason I pick this, and I don't ever use this for a class, but I'm using this to show you how you can see if those previous voice threads that were done for Bio 312 are available to you. So this is my VoiceThread homepage. On the side here on the left are all the courses that I have had voice threads that have been shared with me. So what you should see here in your list is perhaps your current course, if you've or you should see the previous microbiology courses. So let me scroll down and show you those. So in the past, I have voice threads from fall of 2017, and when I click on that, I can see that. I have voice threads from microbiology fall 2018, and then this folder, microbiology VTs, is the initial folder set up by Zach Pratt when he created these 2 years ago. So I think each of these links provide the same VoiceThread lectures that he created. So what I want you to look for is to see if you have these. Then we need to see if those are available for you to attach in your course. So you can see that there's a share icon, and then you would try to share them. So that's another more detailed procedure. So my first concern is if you could find them. If you find them in your list, you could go back into Blackboard, create a new link, I'm going to hide this, create my link, and then when I launch it, then I could, if you have those available to you and they're already there waiting for you, then you could do individual VoiceThread and attach each one in the part of your Blackboard course where you would like it. So I know this is confusing a bit, and I'm happy to help you as needed. The other thing I wanted to show you is this is last fall's microbiology Blackboard site. I was working with Kathleen Mikulski when she set this up. And so if you have access to this, this will give you a sense of where the VoiceThreads are. So for example, if you go into Macromolecules Lesson 1 and you click on the lesson, this link for the mini lecture links into VoiceThread. So here is what it would look like for your students when it is that individual VoiceThread link. So I'm just giving this a moment to open. This is what students would see. It's just taking a moment to load because there's a lot of bandwidth associated with this. So here's the lecture, and you would hit play.
Welcome to the first of numerous videos that I'll make